Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. My name is Farouk and this video is brought to you by an online school, Planet-E. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about different alternatives to avoid using very. So if you're interested, keep watching the video. First and foremost, there's nothing wrong with using very. It's completely fine. More than that, a lot of people do this. But if you're preparing for international exams like IELTS or TOEFL, it's better to limit the usage of this adverb. Here's the list of the words that you can use instead of adding very to every adjective. So, number 1, instead of saying very beautiful, you could say gorgeous, ravishing, or stunning. She looked gorgeous in this dress.
This woman is gorgeous.
The view from my window is ravishing.
Alessandra, you look ravishing.
You look stunning. I know. Number 2. This sounds really weird. Instead of saying very angry, you could say mad, furious, pissed, or pissed off. The fact that he forgot her birthday pissed her off.
Another lapsed Catholic pissed off at the church.
The boss was furious when he found out that nobody hadn't finished their work. Number 3. Instead of saying very tired, you could say beat, drained, exhausted, fatigued. I'm so exhausted that I can't feel my body. But for real though, how long have I been filming for? After working out for 2 hours, he was beat.
You must be exhausted.
What gave me away?
Number 4. Instead of saying very happy, you could say delighted, euphoric, or ecstatic. When he got the results, he was really delighted.
Delighted to be here.
Being ecstatic all the time means that something is wrong with you. So number 5, I hope you never have to use them. So instead of saying very sad, you could say feeling down or depressed or crestfallen. Can we talk a bit later? I'm feeling down right now.
Occasionally feel down.
I've been depressed lately.
Well, who knows? It's probably some stockbroker got depressed.
Number 6, instead of saying very confused, you could say puzzled, perplexed, or disoriented. Let me get it straight. I'm perplexed right now. I'm still puzzled that you didn't say that earlier.
Me and my man were puzzled lately by your behavior.
Number 7, very big. Instead of using this word, you could say colossal, gigantic, tremendous, or massive. The colossal titan annihilated the wall.
You were on a colossal ego trip.
The car was massive. Number 8, instead of saying very small, you could say tiny, teeny tiny, or minuscule. Oh, don't pay attention to minuscule problems. They're not worth it.
These minuscule artisans are my second.
Number 9, instead of saying very bad, you could say awful, terrible, horrible. The food was terrible. I like the ambience though. That hoodie on you looks terrible. Big lies.
Terrible things.
Last but not least, number 10. Instead of saying very good, you could say fantastic, awesome, or terrific. Please do not confuse terrible with terrific. They're different words. The food was awesome, and ambience was also terrific.
Terrific.
Alright, try to implement these words in your speech, and don't forget to make your own sentences. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's fun in here. Alright, see you next time. Bye.